All right, what is going on, everyone? Am I recording? Yeah. It's gonna be trade recap. I didn't even write it on the screen. I'm so unprepared. Trade recap for it's gonna be trade recap for Tuesday morning. The reason I'm wearing glasses is because the sun um won't let me see. So that's why I'm wearing sunglasses. Anyways, coming to the day, I did not take any trades today because I missed my setup. Pretty disappointed about that, but god damn, but it happens. So I'll show you guys the setup I missed. Um, there's red folder news at 8:30, which made this data low. This wick down. As I've said before, normally these are very good targets of liquidity, and just targets where market is drawn to. So after that happened, um, like I don't know what I was doing. Well, I'll show you guys like the main reason why I missed it. So I see that happen. That I start paying more attention to my screen. I see that we take out this liquidity to the left, right here. This form of sell side. Um, and then we create a really nice inverse on the 1 minute, and then inverse this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Holy shit, I can't see. Right there. So if I would have entered, it would have been something like this, where I would have entered as soon as this candle closed below, stops right there above the eternal high, and then my target would have been the data. So this would have been a 1.65 risk to reward, which is very good. Um, Now you may wonder, why did I not take this trade? Well, two reasons. One, I wasn't really paying attention. I don't know why. I was distracted. Next time I trade, I'm just gonna throw my phone out of the window. But another reason was because, as you could see, on MNQ, for some reason, 1 minute. This right here was a paper trade. This didn't count. But on MNQ, the data wick, like, was just on steroids. Um, look, look how much bigger that data wick is than this one. And on this data wick, it covered the fair value gap. There was no fair value gap. And like as you see, this data wick ends at 332, and this data wick ends at 309. So it's like a 25-point difference, which is a lot. So this kind of messed me up because I don't take my trades on NQ. I take them on MNQ, but I do my chart analysis on NQ because, like, I mean, that's what you're supposed to do. That's where like big institutions trade in, and that's just the more accurate. That gives a more accurate price. But for some reason, at this time, price was a little uncorrelated between MNQ and NQ. And this just messed me up how there was no gap here. I was like, wait a minute. So by the time I realized my entry was gone, and I have a rule where I just don't chase missed entries. So I didn't take the trade, but I mean it would have been a win, as you could see. But yeah, after that I stopped trading because I get very tilted. I get very mad when I do stuff like that, when I miss easy setups that I know I would have made money in. So I just stopped trading for the day. Um, like sure, other setups might present themselves. Like for example, here I was looking at my chart. Like this would have been a good long right here. Inverse this. This would have been good long. Target something like this, but following my rules is more important than placing trade. So after I missed that, I was done for the day, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So today I made $0, but I lost $0. Um, not something I could be mad about in December. Really. Like going days where you don't trade, like I'd consider it as a win during this month, like especially during these last couple of weeks of December. But yeah, so that's trade recap for today. No trades taken because I'm a dumbass and I missed my trade, but I ended up following my rules, which is all that matters. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you don't miss trades like I do.